Imagine standing on the coast of Miami, New York, or New Orleans, cities that millions of Americans call home. Now imagine those same streets, those same neighborhoods, slowly disappearing beneath rising water. This isn't a movie. Scientists warn this future is closer than most of us realize, and the trigger may be hiding at the bottom of the world, beneath one of the most remote and frozen places on Earth, Antarctica. Antarctica holds about 60% of the world's fresh water, locked inside ice sheets that have existed for millions of years. If that ice were to melt entirely, global sea levels could rise by nearly 200 feet, enough to drown every coastal city on the planet. While that extreme scenario is far off, even a fraction of that melt could reshape America's coastlines, displace millions, and cost trillions in damage. That's why what scientists just discovered beneath the Fimbulisen Ice Shelf in East Antarctica is sending shockwaves through the scientific community. A team of researchers from the IC3 Polar Research Hub in Tromsø, Norway, published a landmark study in the journal Nature Communications. Using detailed underwater maps and advanced ocean modeling, they uncovered something that no one had accounted for: hidden channels carved on the underside of ice shelves. These channels act like secret passageways, pulling in warm ocean water and trapping it directly against the base of the ice. The result? Melting that is up to 10 times faster than previously estimated. Even more alarming, these channels can grow over time, progressively weakening the entire ice shelf structure from below. Think of ice shelves as the gatekeepers of the Antarctic continent. They float on the ocean, but they hold back the massive glaciers sitting on land behind them. Some of these glaciers are thousands of meters thick. NOAA scientist Nicole Schlegel put it plainly: when an ice shelf weakens or breaks apart, it removes the barrier holding back those land-based glaciers. That ice then accelerates into the ocean, raising global sea levels at a pace that our cities and coastlines may not be able to adapt to in time. The most notorious example is the Thwaites Glacier in West Antarctica, nicknamed the Doomsday Glacier, which alone could raise sea levels by more than 2 feet if it collapses.
Studying what lies beneath Antarctic ice shelves is one of science's most dangerous frontiers. In early 2024, researchers from the University of Gothenburg sent an autonomous underwater vehicle, a submarine robot named RAN, beneath the Thwaites Glacier to gather data. RAN never came back. The robot vanished into the frozen depths, a reminder of just how hostile and unknown this environment truly is. Despite these challenges, scientists press on, because the data they gather could be the difference between the world being prepared for rising seas or being caught completely off guard. The scientists behind this study say their findings must change how we model the future. Current climate models used by the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change don't yet account for these small-scale melting processes inside ice channels, and that gap could mean the world is systematically underestimating how fast sea levels will rise. Updating these models is not a technical exercise. It's a matter of survival planning for hundreds of millions of people living near coastlines around the world, including the 40% of Americans who live in coastal counties. Antarctica may be the most remote place on Earth, but what happens there will reach every shore. The hidden channels scientists discovered are a reminder that nature holds secrets far more complex than our models have assumed. The race isn't just to understand these systems, it's to understand them fast enough to act. Because once the ice is gone, there's no putting it back. The question isn't whether the ocean is rising. The question is, how ready are we?